everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the display. Let's enter this option and here we have to scroll down in order to find the navigation bar. Let's enter. And as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So right now we've got the buttons option applied, obviously, and if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, you can customize it here. So you can reorder the buttons, you can switch the places of the back button and the recents. It's of course up to you, but if you'd like to change it to the swipe gestures, just tap on this option. And as you can see, of course, here we've got the animation, how it works, but no worries, I'll show you. And you can tap on more options, and as you can see, if you're not the biggest fan of only one line, which is right here and which is responsible for most of the actions, you can tap on this option at the top. And as you can see, instead of one line we've got three different options, and right now they are responsible for particular buttons. Let's say if you will have the 3-button navigation option, so we will have like the back option, we will have to swipe in the right or in the left in order to open the recent. So of course it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I really prefer this option, so let me pick it. And as you can see, by choosing this option we can also customize the gesture sensitivity. So it depends depending on which option you will pick, the area which is responsible for catching your touches and gestures will be higher or lower, as you can see in this bluish areas. It's up to you. I will stick with the default option. Let me get back to it and now go back. And as you can see here we've got also two additional options, so the gesture hand and show button to hide keyboard. It's up to you if you'd like to keep them turned on or off. I will just leave them like this. So now let me show you how to use the gestures. So you've previously saw how to use the back button, let's say, or the back gesture. You can go back not depending. You can go back just by swiping your finger from the side of your device to the center, and it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left, as you can see we've got this arrow, or from the right. Just do something like that. If you'd like to get back to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, not like that, fastly, just like that. And as you can see here we've got the home page. And if you'd like to enter the recents, you will have to swipe your finger up again, but hold it right in the middle, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. So basically that's all. This is how to set gestures in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.